Lexus RC engine repairs near me. Lexus is the luxury vehicle division of the Japanese automaker Toyota. The Lexus brand is marketed in more than 90 countries and territories worldwide and is Japan's largest selling make of premium cars. It has ranked among the 10 largest Japanese global brands in market value. Lexus is headquartered in Nagoya, Japan. The 2017 Lexus RC is a luxury sport coupe that offers a combination of performance, style, and advanced features. Here are some of the notable features available in the 2017 Lexus RC. Servicing your Lexus RC is essential to maintain its performance, reliability, and longevity. Here are some general guidelines for servicing your Lexus RC. Regular maintenance. Follow the manufacturer's recommended service schedule outlined in your Lexus RC owner's manual. This schedule typically includes routine inspections, fluid changes, and component replacements at specific mileage intervals. Oil changes. Regular oil changes are vital for the health of the engine. Use high-quality motor oil recommended for your Lexus RC and adhere to the manufacturer's recommended oil change intervals. Brake system. Regularly inspect and maintain the brake system. Replace brake pads, rotors, and brake fluid as needed to ensure optimal braking performance and safety. Tire maintenance. Regularly check tire pressure and ensure it is within the recommended range. Rotate and balance the tires according to the recommended schedule to ensure even wear and longevity. Fluid checks. Regularly check and top off essential fluids such as coolant, transmission fluid, power steering fluid, and windshield washer fluid. Air filters. Replace the engine air filter and cabin air filter based on your vehicle's maintenance schedule to maintain air quality and engine performance. Electrical system. Regularly inspect the battery, alternator, and other electrical components to ensure proper functioning and prevent unexpected issues. Suspension and steering. Periodically inspect and maintain the suspension and steering components to ensure a smooth and safe driving experience. Replace worn-out parts as needed. Exhaust system. Check the exhaust system for leaks and ensure it is functioning correctly to maintain emissions compliance. Software updates. Periodically visit a Lexus dealership for any available software updates or recalls to ensure that your vehicle's software and electronic systems are up to date. Record keeping. Maintain detailed records of all maintenance and repairs performed on your Lexus RC, as this can be helpful for warranty claims and when selling the vehicle. Professional servicing. It's recommended to have your Lexus RC serviced by authorized Lexus technicians or an authorized service center to ensure that your car receives the best care and maintenance.